10 at 10 continues with No Wait Weather.
All right, a lot to discuss tonight. We're fairly quiet here in the FM area as we take a look at our Valley Sky Cam and nary snowflake flying here. And temperatures today are still on their way up. We started out the day at 18 below for our low temperature. We're 10 above and our temperatures continue to climb. 8 above right now in Grand Forks, and more cold air pooling up North Alaska right now. 27 below zero at Barrow. Here is a look at some snow from the northern Red River Valley into the Devil's Lake Basin. It's making its way eastward, and we do have some heavier bands here in the dark blues. These are slowly moving to the north and east into Maddock, Devil's Lake, and they'll continue through Rock Lake, Candu, and on towards Walhalla as we head through the next couple of hours. And again, where you see these darkest colors, we're going to put a coating of slippery snow on the roads, and some of you will have some accumulations to drive through by daybreak. Let's get to the Proceed Road to Frisco forecast, because there is a migration taking place from Fargo to Frisco. Here's a look at your temperature. Again, we mentioned 10 in Fargo, feels like 7 below. If you're Mike Morgan or the team in Frisco, it's 56 degrees. It is a little breezy, Mike. Right now, those winds are gusting to about 30 miles per hour. Hey, if you are in Frisco on Friday, there's going to be a chance for some wild stormy weather, snow for some as well, but out ahead of it from Frisco and points east into East Texas, an enhanced risk of severe weather, which means we could see a few tornadoes, some large hail, damaging wind and the like. Here is a quick look at the timing of that system. Thursday, if you're traveling through the Southern Plains corridor here to Frisco and through places like Omaha, just some light showers, not so bad. Friday, however, the rain gets heavier, and by Friday afternoon, after some morning showers of rain, take a look at the line of thunderstorms that develops that you may have to drive through. So from Omaha southward, we have a mixed smorgasbord of precipitation. Let's get to Frisco in the afternoon. My advice is, if you can get there before the evening hours on Friday, that's the best. Storms should start very close to Frisco and then move east, and it'll be windy, very heavy rain, hail, and yes, even a few tornadoes will be possible along this line, particularly in the far south. Now, as we look up northward there, anywhere from Omaha south into the Kansas City area and through Wichita, we're going to have a mixed bag of weather tricks for you to get through, plus very gusty northerly winds into Friday night. Saturday morning, the north winds will spin their way into the Texas area. It looks chilly. It looks cool for the big game in Frisco. A little closer to home, single digits to around 10 degrees right now across our valley. Our forecast shows that band of snow we were talking about moments ago lifting and moving through. There'll be some light accumulations north of Highway 2. More on that in a second. Your midday forecast, after temperatures start out warmer than they are right now, around 10 to 12 degrees, will warm into the mid and upper teens for the afternoon. A chance at some filtered sunshine across eastern North Dakota, more clouds in Minnesota, but the snow should be gone by mid to late morning for almost everyone involved. A trace to maybe an inch from Highway 2 and points north. Isolated 1 to 3 inch totals right along that international border, including places like Rolla, Rugby, and in towards the Walhalla area. 13 degrees tomorrow in Langdon and Walhalla, 17 for you folks in Grand Forks, and we'll see temperatures closer to 20 degrees along and south of Interstate 94. Look at this, a beautiful shot here of the scene at Wanda captured in Ulen, Minnesota. Doesn't look like as much snow there, and well, the sun was sure pretty on that particular day. A lot to talk about in the 7-day planner. We're back to cold on Friday, but not the coldest. The next slap of Arctic air gets here Saturday morning. Woo, 19 below as we cheer on the Bison, and then we cheer on those Vikings as well. Sunday, we warm up a bit. Early in the work week, we warm up a bit, but we're back in the icebox mid to late week next week. Here's your Frisco planner. Thunderstorms, temperatures in Friday in the 60s to near 70. A chilly day for game day with some north winds that'll be pretty brisk as well for our fans and friends in Frisco.
I hope they're all enjoying those temperatures down in Texas, because we are seeing some cold temperatures soon.
They maybe brought a jacket along.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah.
Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.